biggest twist is whether or not the changes to collective bargaining included in that bill have officially gone into effect yet. Some say the new law actually started today, but as his NewsAide Jade Olds explains, it's a matter of interpretation.
In Wisconsin, traditionally, a bill doesn't become law until it's published by the Office of the Secretary of State. But right now, there's a court order preventing that from happening for the controversial budget repair bill. So, the bill appeared officially for the first time after being posted online by another state office, the Legislative Reference Bureau. But does that mean it's now a law?
I think they did that as a matter of procedure that they normally do, but whether they had the authority to do it and whether it's law because they did it, I think that's going to be up to somebody else to decide.
While many Democrats aren't certain if the bill is law either, the state assembly minority leader says official publication by the Secretary of State is required for this act to go into effect. The Secretary of State, the only constitutional officer with the power to publish law, is prohibited by court order from publishing this act.
You know, he may be right, and so then we'll let the Supreme Court decide whether they want to take on the case or whether they feel that they don't have any jurisdiction and they won't take the case, in which case then it would go back to the Secretary of State and he would be allowed to publish it.
One thing that is clear at this time, City of La Crosse employees no longer have to worry about the collective bargaining changes affecting them until after 2013.
The Common Council called a special meeting. Our Personnel Committee in the City of La Crosse held several special meetings to negotiate a contract before this bill was published.
Mayor Matt Harder signed the new contract at about 6 o'clock last night. The union that represents city employees agreed to retirement and health care contributions in line with what the budget repair bill will soon require. But for now, they'll maintain some of the privileges they'll lose when the budget repair bill is fully implemented.
We're going through a lot of big change in a very short period of time, and the City of La Crosse passing this contract is making that change a little bit more gradual.
In La Crosse, Jade Olds, News 8.
Now, we also spoke to Democratic Representative Jennifer Schilling about the latest confusion. She believes the posting of the bill by the Legislative Reference Bureau is, quote, an underhanded move orchestrated by Republican lawmakers. The next court hearing on the bill is scheduled for Tuesday.